address?
Anniņmuižas bulvāris 28.
In Imanta,
Yeah.
the suburbs of Riga, Latvia. It was finished in the summer of 1990.
Yeah, and staircase 1 to 74. There are more staircases here also.
Which had the doors.
Yeah, it's quite rare that so tall building has more than one staircase.
Yeah. And also here, the first floor is a digital indicator and a lamp indicator.
Yeah.
But we had to start from upstairs.
Yeah. But at least here the call button is still original.
Yeah, because downstairs it was not original.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
One. But still to the right, sir.
Yeah, of course. 0 and page 0000018.
Yeah, 16th floor, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
17 and 18 are not in use.
Yeah.
They don't exist here.
Yeah.
What could that be also? So still almost 20 floors.
Yeah.
Hope nobody is there. Let's see. But I don't know what that's next to the radio, I don't know what.
Yeah.
But I don't know, but that was a weird situation, maybe one rider, I don't know.
No. Or
But just to change to the right one, but
yeah, we have just maybe 1.5, and then because we can't stay at the top floor. Yeah, inspected by the north and maintained by real.
But I hope nobody is
Yeah.
there, but
Yeah.
we have to check it.
Yeah.
That's not someone who is like the staircase guard, I don't know.
Yeah.
And of course these ones cannot be sent also.
Yeah. Yes, there is a staircase card, unfortunately, very annoying.
Yeah.
We have to wait if somebody calls the elevator, we can get to under room.
Yeah. It's coming now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thing or something.
Yeah.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah.
At least with the stick is hard to.
Yeah.
I don't know if one drive,
Yeah, unfortunately.
but we got both.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Muy bien.
Serial number is 0000017.
Okay.
Inspected by the Norton, maintained by Real.
We couldn't get on the video from the first floor indicators.
Yeah, no.
Well, but the situation was bad.
Yeah.
Then I don't know if they have staircase guards and the other staircases.
Yeah.
It's difficult.
Yeah, probably. So we can get them now. So
No.
we can try to their building. It has only one staircase.
We can try it. That's it. Thanks so much.
That's